So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and lie over the ball. From here, we're gonna make sure that our feet are stabilizing us. So think about pushing into the ground with our toes. From here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that our head is in alignment, our shoulders are in alignment, and then what you're gonna do initially is we're gonna use the ball for assist. So think about squeezing your butt, squeezing your legs, make sure that everything is nice and straight. And then from here, you're just gonna go ahead and lift up your chest. You're gonna use those little low back muscles to create the movement. And then you're gonna push up, squeeze your butt, make sure that you're squeezing your butt and your stomach as you come up. Keep everything engaged from the lower body as well too to protect yourself. And then if you want a little bit more resistance and stability, you can go ahead and lift up. Put your hands on top of your head. Lift up from there. Okay? So you wanna do about 10 reps of those. Hold for about 10 seconds. And 3 sets of that. And those are some exercises for your low back pain. If you guys continue to have pain, please consult your medical professional.